Are you tired of losing track of your inventory in Zoho Books? Learn how to create a stock item with tracking in under 3 minutes. First, we'll enable inventory tracking in Settings. Then create a new item with name, unit, prices, and account. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. From the Settings menu, select General. Now, click on Items to access your item list. Enable inventory tracking by toggling the switch on. Optionally, enable Show an Out-of-Stock warning. Once you've made your selections, click Save. Then, close the Settings panel by clicking Close Settings. Now, click on Items again to return to the item list. Click the plus button to create a new stock item. Type the item name in the Name field. Click on the Unit drop-down to choose a unit of measurement. Then, click the unit you want from the list. Enter the selling price for the item. Next, type the cost price. Click on Select an account to choose an account. From the list, select Inventory Asset. Finally, click Save to create your stock item. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.